Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in KuCoin. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the deposit section. You'll need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from the available list. It's crucial to double-check that you've chosen the correct network for your selected asset, as sending funds on the wrong network could result in permanent loss. Always confirm the network before proceeding with any transaction. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency and confirmed the network, KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. This address is specific to your account and the chosen asset. For certain cryptocurrencies, you might also see a memo or tag required for the deposit. Make sure to copy this entire address accurately. It's a good practice to use the copy button provided to prevent any manual entry mistakes. Now, open your external cryptocurrency wallet or the exchange from which you'll be sending the funds. Locate the send or withdraw option for the cryptocurrency you're depositing. Carefully paste the KuCoin deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Double-check that the network selected on your sending platform matches the network you chose on KuCoin. This step is vital for a successful transfer. Before finalizing the transaction from your external wallet, take a moment to review all the details, including the amount and the recipient address. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer. Your deposit will typically appear in your KuCoin account after the necessary network confirmations are completed. You can monitor the status of your deposit in your KuCoin asset overview or through the deposit history section. Congratulations! Your funds should arrive shortly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.